Electric drive planters have the ability to perform a meter runoff without leaving the yard. ExactRate liquid fertilizer systems also have a runoff feature. In this video, I will show you how to do a nozzle flow check to verify the system can achieve application rates at planned speed, rate, and valve pulse settings. The following conditions must be met before performing a nozzle flow check. The planter must be stopped. The EPG must be on. The solution pump must be primed. The distribution lines must be primed. The tractor engine should be running at high idle. To access the nozzle flow check on the display, open the menu and choose Calibrations and Procedures. Choose the Procedures tab on the left and then choose Nozzle Flow Check. Press the Begin Procedure button when all the prerequisites have been met. On the Nozzle Flow Check procedure page, enter the ground speed you would like to apply at. Then choose the target rate you would like to apply at. On the display, set the valve pulsing to auto or to fixed and the percentage that you are using for applying. Turn the solution pump on. Turn the nozzles on. Verify that the gallons per acre comes up to the target and can maintain the target. This is the same performance the operator should see in the field. Turn the nozzles off to stop the test. A nozzle flow check cannot be conducted if the fertilizer operation is set to run a prescription. If this is the case, navigate to Work Setup on the display. Set the target rate box to controller rate. Once the nozzle flow check is complete, return to Work Setup and set the target rate back to the prescription. In this video, I showed you how to verify the system can achieve application rates at planned speed, rate, and valve pulse settings.